Students, today we are going to start this new chapter, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about the life story of Kalpana Chawla, her story of life in short. Okay, it is type of a biography. Biography means story of somebody's life. So first of all, I am going to provide you with this text of this lesson. We will read this chapter today and I will explain this chapter to you along with these word meanings. Okay? So, see, before you read, in 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So, Indian American Kalpana Chawla. See, student, before the name of this Kalpana Chawla, they have written Indian and American. Okay. Now, we have this our own identity as we belong to a certain country. As I belong to India, I am Indian. If I belong to America, I am American. If I belong to Australia, I am Australian. Okay. If I belong to Africa, I am African. If I belong to Russia, I am Russian. But see, in Kalpana Chawla's name, they have written Indian and American. Means Kalpana Chawla has two citizenships. She was born in India, so she was Indian, and she went to America. She stayed for certain period there, and she also married to American man. That is why she got the citizenship of America also. So she was Indian and American both. Okay. So in 1997, she went to US Space Shuttle to space in Columbia, and she was first woman born in India to go to means she was first Indian born woman to go into space. Now see, here is an activity. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel. Yes, space shuttle. What is a space shuttle? Space shuttle is a spacecraft which is used to go into space, and everybody is familiar with space. What do you mean by space? Space means when you go out of the atmosphere of this earth, that is space. This whole universe is space. Okay. A spacecraft is not a rocket. Now see, use a dictionary to task below. Find out the meaning of the following words and phrases. Some words are given here like naturalized US citizen. You have to find out the meaning of this phrase as your own. Okay. And space I have already told. Then frontiers of space, underline. So the word which are underlined here, you have to find out the meanings of those only. See, this word is underlined here. Naturalized, this word is underlined, and frontiers is underlined. So you have to find out the meaning of these words. And then see, here take off is underlined. Okay, you have to find out the meaning of these words. Then crew. Crew is group of people who are the do their journey in an aeroplane or in the spacecraft. But the crew are those people who are responsible for the flight or for the space visit. Means like pilot, air hostesses and all. These are crew member of aeroplane, and like in spacecraft, astronauts are a crew. Okay. Yes. Now, there is one this lift off in E portion. You see lift off and how it is different from take off. So these two this words are. I'm going to just make a differentiation between lift off and take off. See, lift off means lift off. This word is used for rockets and spacecrafts. Okay. And take off word is used for aeroplanes. Why? You have seen that aeroplane, first of all, it run on runway and then it rises in the air. So that is take off. But if you have seen in some videos, like uh, the launching of spacecraft and rockets, you must have seen that they don't run anywhere, they straight away go into the air. That is why it is known as lift off. Now students, I think both the terms are clear to you. Now see, notice the spellings of these words in lesson. Yes, while reading the lesson you will find out these type of spellings: airplane, program. This is how these words are spelled in American English. Now children, the English which we read today is British English, and to many types of English are there. We are doing British English, okay? And the American English words are like airplane, program. They have a slight difference in their spellings. How are they spelled in British English? You have to find out. Like in British English, the spelling of program will be PROGRAMME. Okay. Yes. Now, let us come to the chapter, a news report. Tragedy in space. So, first of all, a extract is given to you as this like chapter cutting is there. Okay. Tragedy in space. US space shuttle. Okay. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying India born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and six others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday. 1 February 2003, killing all seven on board. So, this is a newspaper report. Okay, when Columbia was broken into flames, so this news was there in the newspaper. Unprecedented means which was not expected, which was not just thought by anybody. Okay, it was a tragedy means a mishappening, like you can say some कोई दुर्घटना हो जाना. US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying India born American, this astronaut Kalpana Chawla was also there in it, but when it broke and in flames when it was trying to land in Texas, and the date was 1 February 2003. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at around 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude over 200,000 feet. Yes, students, you have to read this text very carefully, because after the completion of this chapter there is one activity which you have to do while reading this report only, newspaper report. So when Columbia was destroyed, it was flying over 200,000 feet and traveling at over 20,000 kilometer per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. So look at the speed of this spacecraft. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003. Yes, it went to space on 16 January 2003, and after 1 month and 15 days it was returning to Earth. From the Kennedy Space Center, Florida, it had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the 7-number cruise conducted. Sorry students, on 16 January it lifted off and it returned on 1 February, so it was approximate 16 days. Then 7-member was there and on crew, and they conducted about 80 experiments before its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So it was assumed, it was thought that this Columbia can go for 100 times in space, but it was very sad on the part of Columbia that it was it was broken, it was destroyed while its 28th space flight. Now students, see the chapter. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. Now see students, Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, and Karnal is in Haryana district of this in India. And when she was child, she never thought that someday she will cross the frontier means borders of space, that she will go out of earth to space. At that time in Haryana, students, it is a practice that girls are not allowed to go to school, they are not allowed, they don't have access for higher education, means लड़कियों को जो ऊंची आगे की जो बड़ी पढ़ाई होती है, हायर एजुकेशन होती है, वो अलाउ नहीं करते. सो इट वॉज इनफ फॉर कल्पना दैट हर पेरेंट्स अलाउड हर टू डू engineering. Okay, so she thought that if she becomes an engineer, that is enough. Then, after a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. Yes, her father opposed her, but after the bachelor degree in engineering, she went to America for master degree. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering, so she did her aerospace engineering there. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and it is in America, and participate in a successful mission in her space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Yes, here you will find the term lift off. Yes, students. Then see, while reading you will come across those words which you have seen earlier. Here. Okay, now you will find it. While reading you can note all these words in your copies, and after the completion of the chapter you will find out the word meanings. Okay, now see, so Kalpana was first Indian to go into space there. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, as I told you before, but was a naturalized US citizen. Now here comes this line, word naturalized. Now you will come to know the meaning of naturalized here only. Naturalized US citizen means married to flight instructor Jean Parry Harrison. Besides, because she was married to an American, so she got the citizenship of America. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. See, she used to fly multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. Yes, student, she was also a certified flight instructor. Okay, she was an engineer, she was certified flight instructor, and she used to fly multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. Now, after qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. She became the pilot, then she took another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. Now, here comes this word program. She was first hired as research scientist at NASA in 1994. She was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. She applied for this Space Shuttle program, and in 1994 she was selected as a training for astronaut. Now you have to find out the meaning of astronaut also. Astronaut is a person who go into space. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, yes. She was asked that you are a woman and you have dared to go into space. You have dared to become an astronaut. How do you feel? She replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies for doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country, and I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. These words are very important, students. She used to say that she never thought while studying that one day she will achieve this height of success, but she said that like everybody else, she also has dreams. जैसे सबके सपने होते हैं, वैसे कल्पना चावला के भी सपने थे. And what she did, and people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that is what you want to do, carry on. Yes, people around her also motivated and encouraged her to fulfill her ड्रीम्स. मीन्स उसके आसपास जो लोग थे उन्होंने भी कल्पना चावला को एनकरेज किया कि तुम अपने ड्रीम्स को कंप्लीट करो. Kalpana's first space mission in Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days. So, when Columbia was destroyed, she was on her second mission. She has already, I think, let us see. So, in her first space mission, Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went round the Earth 252 times. Look, they have taken the orbit of Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. There is a sign of exclamation here, students. There is a sign of exclamation 10.45 millions kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. Yes, Japanese means a person who belongs to Japan, and Ukrainian means a person who belongs to Ukraine. Astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. So these were the experiments which they conducted in space, all for a price tag of about $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief. Yes, students. She worked very hard for her success, and when on Saturday night this news of Columbia disaster came, everybody was in shock, in disbelief. Means they did not believe, they never expected this type of end of Columbia. Now, here are some look, students. Here is a picture of this space shuttle, of this rocket. Okay. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television. Stayed glued. This is a phrase. Stay glued means चिपक कर बैठ जाना. Means सब लोग अपनी टीवी सेट्स के साथ चिपक कर बैठे हुए थे. Means they were watching each and every news regarding Colombia at that night. Sleepless night means nobody slept that night. So all the people were so sad that they did not sleep that night. In the hope that Kalpana and crew had somehow survived, everybody was hoping that please God unko save kar lo, wo bach jaye. Then a journalist note. So this is also a news report. She was a heroine. Now see students, heroine normally आप heroine क्या समझते हो कि कोई एक्टर एक्ट्रेसेस जो टीवी में काम करती है. नो, हीरो क्या होता है? हीरो होता है जो सबसे अलग होता है. तो इसी तरह से हीरोइन भी वो है जो कुछ हटकर अचीव करें. So he wrote, she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. Enormous means बहुत ज़्यादा. एक एस्ट्रोनॉट बनने के लिए आपके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा एक आपके अंदर एबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. यू नीड टू नो अ लॉट अबाउट एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम बायोलॉजी टू एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स टू एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग. मीन्स आपकी नॉलेज बहुत फास्ट होनी चाहिए. इन दिस एज ऑफ सुपर स्पेशलाइजेशन you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. Now, awe-inspiring means it's very means at the height, very grand, very big. ठीक है. और आपके पास कैसी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए? एनसाइक्लोपैडिक नॉलेज. मीन्स व्हाट इज़ एन एनसाइक्लोपीडिया? एनसाइक्लोपीडिया किसी भी सब्जेक्ट की वो किताब होती है जिसमें आपको उससे रिलेटेड हर चीज़ की जो नॉलेज है वो मिल जाती है. तो आपको इसी तरह की नॉलेज अगर होगी तब आप एस्ट्रोनॉट बन सकते हैं. फॉर मिलियंस ऑफ यंग इंडियंस द स्टोरी, नाउ दिस इज द लास्ट paragraph of this chapter. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, now, this is the message which Kalpana Chawla sent to her students in Chandigarh College. She said, the path from dreams to success does exist. Means हमारे सपनों और हकीकत में एक रोड है. कई बार हम सोचते हैं ना कि सपना कभी सच नहीं होता. नो, कल्पना ने कहा हमारे सपने सच होते हैं. कल एक सड़क, एक रोड है जो आपके सपनों से उसको हकीकत तक लेके जा सकती है. वो क्या है? मे यू हैव द विजन टू फाइंड इट. बट क्या होना चाहिए? उस रोड को ढूंढने की दृष्टि, उसका विजन आपके पास होना चाहिए. और द करेज टू गेट इन टू इट. उस रोड पर चलने की करेज, हिम्मत होनी चाहिए. विशिंग यू अ ग्रेट जर्नी. मीन्स शी इज़ विशिंग ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल हर दिस स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ हर कॉलेज, that they may achieve their dreams in their life. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. She said, और बहुत आप में से ऐसे होंगे भी जिन्होंने अपने सपनों को हकीकत में बदलने के रास्ते पे आप चल चुके होंगे. मीन्स अगर आपको कुछ अचीव करना है तो बचपन से ही उसके पीछे पड़ जाओ आप और मेहनत करो, एंड यू विल श्योरली अचीव योर डेस्टिनेशन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स सी, I think now this text of this chapter is clear to you. You have question 6. 6 questions are there, and the answers. You will do these questions on your own. Tomorrow I will send you the solutions. Today just try to find out the answers and write them in the rough copy, not in the fair. Then when I will send you the solutions, you will just check your solutions and you will write it correctly in your copies, fair copies. The answers are given in which paragraph, the paragraph number are given where you will find out the answers. Okay. Yes sir. Yes students, now see date of lift of this yes, here is, this is the, see this is the news report. Okay students, this is the news report. You will read this report and you will write answers of that activity. Okay, see now first one is date of lift of what? Date and place of lift of what? Columbia. So the date is 16 January 2003 from Kennedy Space Center, Florida. This is the answer. This is the answer. This is the date. Okay. Now, second question is number of astronauts on board. How many astronauts were there? I think it's 7. 7 astronauts were there. Okay. Now, see. Killing all 7 on board. Yes, killing all 7 on board. This is the answer. Now, see, the third question is number of days it stayed in the space. How many days it stayed? It was 15 days. Okay, see, it was 15 days. Look, 16 days. Here is the answer, 16 days. Okay, so you can write your answer here. Only days are asked. Okay, number of days it stayed in, it is 16. Okay, yes. The number of experiments done by scientists, that was 80. Then date of return journey, that I already told you, that was 1st February 2003. Okay. Then height at which it lost contact. Yes, now this you will find out from the this news report. Then there is working with language. You have to match this, like unprecedented space tragedy means unprecedented, a sad accident. Yes, this is one. Okay. Certified flight instructor means a person with the correct qualification to teach people. Yes, this is 2. Then space mission. Space mission means like space mission, a set of jobs to be done in space by group. Okay. Then super specialization means having knowledge, nowadays in these times. Okay. Super specialization means great expertise in any field. Encyclopedic knowledge means having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Then awe-inspiring means something that causes feeling of respect and wonder. This is awe-inspiring. In this age means nowadays in these times. So space mission is this. Okay, this is space mission. You will do these matching of your matching activity in your copy. Then comes, yes students, these phrases. Okay, you will find out the meanings of these phrases from dictionary and you will write it down in your copies. Okay, then question number C, we add un to make opposites like true, untrue. Now you will make opposites with these words like identified, unidentified, controlled, uncontrolled. You have to add un before every word and you will find the opposite of this word like controlled, uncontrolled, attended, unattended. Okay. So students, tomorrow I am going to send you the solutions of this chapter. Yes, one activity, British and American, these spellings. Okay. Uh, some I will do here and the rest you will do. See, color. So American spelling of color is COLOR. Okay. Labor. British spelling is LABOUR. Okay. Then traveler. TRAVELER is American and what is British is TRAVELLER. Okay. E also comes here. Then counselor, in American it is COUNSILIOR. Okay. Then center, CENTRE. In American also it is same spelling. This is CENTRE. Theater, THEATRE. Theater. Okay. Organize, in British we write ORGANISE. Realize, we write here REALIZE. Okay. Yes students, you will do it yourself and I will send solutions tomorrow, and I think that you all have understood the chapter very thoroughly. Okay students, thank you.